Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. Today I'm participating in a challenge called as Using Trash to Create Treasure, and this is hosted by Coffee with My Sunshine and Simple Roots and Simple Living. So if you haven't already been to their channels, I'll leave the link of their channels in my description box as well as the playlist of all the participants. So after you have viewed my video, please do click on the next video in the playlist to get more great ideas about great inspirations. And so as the title suggests, you have to use something trash to treasure. So I have got few of my items that I want to convert them into a treasure. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. So this is the final result of my neutral farmhouse. I would say it's a mix of Valentines and spring, combination of DIYs. So these are all trash to treasure, as you saw the process. And let me start with this, my cashew box. You saw the process. I just stuck brown color wood grain contact paper from Dollar Tree, and I stuck the cotton lace ribbon. On top of it, I just stuck 2 of the glass gems and 1 of the acrylic gem as the holder for the lid. And this you can use for, stuffing some of the craft supplies. I just did it because I love the color of that brown color contact paper. So yeah, this is that. And this is one of the cookies container, and I also stuck this brown contact paper on top of it and stuffed some green Spanish moss and some of this white beautiful flowers. This is a planter, farmhouse style planter you can say, and this is that love sign, and this was going along with the color scheme, so I brought him inside the party and I stuck few of the flowers on either side of it. And this is also one of the container, and I stuffed some plastic bags inside and white roses. Final one is just one of the carton of one of the lotion, and again I stuck the contact paper and lace ribbon as a bow and few of the eucalyptus greenery that I got from Walmart, and I just decorated it as one of the planters. So I'm very happy how this turned out, and this is, I would say, like farmhouse style. You can say spring and Valentine's mixed together. Kind of a easy, simple DIYs from trash to treasure. So I hope you enjoyed as much as I did. So if you haven't already subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing, liking and sharing. And thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.